Well, good evening. We reached chapter 2 in the commentary in the book of Numbers, and the title today is The Allocation of the Tribes Around the Tabernacle. The order of the tribes and their tents. And the Lord spoke unto Moses and said unto Aaron, saying, Every man of the children of Israel shall pitch his own standard with the ensign of his father's house. Far off about the tabernacle of the congregation they shall pitch. The men of Israel shall pitch their own tents, according to the diagram below, and will also display their own ensign flag flying over their tribe. Interestingly, the symbol for the tribe of Dan is a serpent, and they were deceived by the serpent and led from the Lord to follow after other gods. They ended up following Baal. As we look at this diagram, we see that the tribes of the individual 12 tribes of Israel are in a circle around the tabernacle, and the tribes of Levi are guarding the tabernacle in the center. And the way the Lord lays it out, in the east we have Judah, Issachar, Zebulun. He goes around in a clockwise direction. So Judah, Issachar, Zebulun, then Reuben, Simeon, Gad. So the first three, Judah, Issachar, and Zebulun, are on the eastern side. Reuben, Simeon, and Gad are on the southern side. Ephraim, Manasseh, and Benjamin are on the western side. And finally, Dan, Asher, and Naphtali are on the northern side. And the first tribe of each of those groups of three are the main tribe that they will refer to as the camps of. And in the center, we have the priests on the eastern side, including the layout for Moses and Aaron. On the southern side, we have the Kohathites. On the western side, we have the Gershonites, and on the northern side, we have the Maronites. They are all functional parts of the tribe of Levi, and each one has a specific purpose that they have to do in relating for the work of the temple. So as was instructed by God to Moses, each one of the tribes had to be located in the specific location in the previous diagram, and each one of them had to gather under the tribal banner of their specific tribe and have that displayed so that everybody knew which tribe was physically where. And as we go through the following scriptures in this particular chapter, they will be identified by name, and you can look up this reference if you want to see what particular ensign they would be walking under and camping under. So the tribes on the eastern side of the tabernacle. And on the eastern side, towards the rising of the sun, shall they of the standard of the camp of Judah pitch throughout their armies, and Nashon, the son of Abinadab, shall be captain of the children of Judah. And his host, and those that were the numbered of them, were 74,600. And those that do pitch next unto him shall be of the tribe of Issachar. And Nathaniel, the son of Zuar, shall be captain of the children of Issachar. And his host, and all that were numbered thereof, were 54,400. Then the tribe of Zebulun, and Eliab, the son of Helon, shall be the captain of the children of Zebulun. And his host, and all those that were numbered whereof, were 57,400. And all of that were numbered in the camps of Judah, that includes those three tribes, were 186,400. And the tribes on the southern side of the tabernacle are listed as below. And the south side shall be standard of the camp of Reuben, according to their armies. And the captain of the children of Reuben shall be Elizur, the son of Sheduah. And his host and those that were numbered thereof was 46,500. And those that pitched by him shall be of the tribe of Simeon. And the captain of the children of Simeon shall be Shemuel, the son of Zurishaddai. And the host of those that were numbered of them were 59,300. Then the tribe of Gad, the captain of the sons of Gad, shall be Eliasaph, and he is the son of Reuel, but in chapter 1 he is called Duel. And the host of those that were numbered of them was 45,650. And all that was in the numbered in the camps of Reuben, being those three tribes, was 151,450. So next we have the location of the tabernacle itself, and it's very specific. Then the tabernacle of the congregation shall set forward with the camp of the Levites in the middle of the camp. As in camp so shall they set forward, every man in his place by their standards. The Levites and their associated subtribes were stationed around the tabernacle as follows. On the eastern side of the tabernacle, the priests with Moses and Aaron. On the southern side, the Kohathites. On the northern side, the Merarites. And on the western side, the Gershonites. And they were responsible for the protection of the tabernacle. They were required to take it down when they had to move. And they were responsible for guarding all the tabernacle vessels, carrying the tabernacle to the next location, and assembling the tabernacle again, and making sure that everything was in its proper place. And that's one of the reasons they were not numbered among the nation of Israel, because they had to at all times remain pure and holy. If they touched blood or they touched a corpse, they were defiled and could not perform their priestly duties. Continuing on now, we will be looking at the tribes which are located on the western side of the tabernacle. On the western side shall be the standard of the camp of Ephraim, according to their armies and the captains of the sons. Ephraim shall be Elishama, the son of Ammihud. These are the two tribes of Joseph, namely Ephraim and Manasseh, and they will be side by side. And the next one beside them will be Benjamin. So all three of these people are located and related to each other. And the host and those that were numbered with them were 40,050. And by him shall be the tribe of Manasseh, and the captain of the children of Manasseh shall be Gamaliel, the son of Pedazur. And the host of those that were numbered with them were 32,200. Then the tribe of Benjamin, and the captain of the sons of Benjamin shall be Abidan, the son of Gideoni. And his host and those that were numbered with them was 35,400. And all of the numbered in the camps of Ephraim were a total of 108,100. Now we're finding the final location on the northern side of the tribe. The standard of the camp of Dan shall be on the northern side by their armies, and the captain of the children of Dan shall be Ahiezer, and he is the son of Ammishaddai. And his host and those that were numbered of them were 62,700. And those that encamp by him shall be of the tribe of Asher, And the captain of the children of Asher shall be Pagiel, and he is the son of Achran. And the host on those that were numbered of them were 41,500. Then the tribe of Naphtali, and the captain of the children of the Naphtali shall be Ahira, the son of Enan. The host of those that were numbered of them were 53,400. And the total of all of those numbered in the camps of Dan, that's these three tribes, were 157,600. And these shall be the rear guard with their standards. They will march behind the tabernacle whenever they're moving from one place to another. Now these are those that were numbered of the children of Israel in the houses of their fathers. All that were numbered in the camp throughout their hosts were 603,550. But the Levites were not numbered among the children of Israel, as the Lord commanded Moses. They were not allowed to defile themselves with blood or touching a dead corpse. And the children of Israel did according to all that the Lord commanded Moses. So they pitched their standards, and so they set forward, every one after their families, according to the houses of their fathers. So when they left, they would follow the emblem of their tribe, the flag of their tribe, and they would march in the proper order as defined in these scriptures. And so ends chapter 2.